Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about passive voice of future perfect tense. All rules are same like simple tenses, and three perfect tenses have same V forms. So in this tense also suitable V form been. Future perfect tense, that is active voice. For example, serial number 1, I shall have completed the course. Here I is subject, it is a doer, shall is a may helping verb, shall is helping verb, it shows future. Have completed shows perfect. Here have place past to participle, that is have completed. The course object. We know that shall is used with I and we. Will is used with he, she, it, they, you and noun. I shall have completed the course is future perfect tense. Shall shows future, have completed shows perfect, so it is future perfect tense, that is active voice. I shall have completed the course. The passive voice, the course will have been completed. If we want to add keywords, that is extra to good understanding, I have been studying a course it will have completed the next year. So I shall have completed the course by next year. In the passive voice, the course will have been completed by next year. Second sentence, he will have delivered the letter. For example, we know that the letter had dispatched from office, but we did not receive today also. So we think that it will have delivered by this time tomorrow. So here he will have delivered the letter by this time tomorrow. In the passive voice, the letter will have been delivered by this time tomorrow. Third sentence, for example, corona has been increasing day by day. So here we think that shop is a supermarket. It will have been closed by next week. The same way, they will have closed the shop by next week. In the passive voice, the shop will have been closed by next week. Shall or will is modal helping verb. If we want to write any other modal verb in the place of shall or will, it will change the meaning of the sentence. So we shall learn about them in another class. If we want to change negative sentence, we will write not after helping verb in the active voice and passive voice. For example, serial number 1, I shan't have completed the course. Here shan't is short form or contraction. Already we know shall plus not is equal to shan't. Will plus not is equal to won't. I shan't have completed the course. It is negative sentence. In the passive voice, the course won't have been completed. Here, the course is third person singular. So, we write a helping verb will. Will plus not is equal to won't. So the course won't have been completed. Second sentence, he won't have delivered the letter. In the passive voice, the letter won't have been delivered. Third sentence, they won't have closed the shop. In the passive voice, the shop won't have been closed. If we want to change interactive sentence, we will write helping verb before the subject in the passive voice and active voice and add question mark ending of the sentence. For example, first one, shall I have completed the course and add question mark? In the passive voice, will the course have been completed and add the question mark? The second sentence, will he have delivered the letter and add question mark? In the passive voice, will the letter have been completed and add question mark? Third sentence, will they have closed the shop? Add question mark. In the passive voice, will the shop have been closed and add question mark. We must practice with useful remaining main verbs and subjects to get more knowledge about passive voice of future perfect tense. Thank you.